huge wall had to be painted, but contractor was running out of the time. Two women and five men could finish the wall in 4 days, but suddenly the deadline was moved up. So contractor decided to bring in three women and six men to finish the job in just 3 days. And then simple thought came in his mind. How much time one woman and one man will take alone to finish the job? If a man can paint a wall in 10 days, more or less he will do same work every day. So let us divide his wall in 10 equal parts. So every day he will paint one part out of 10 parts made. So every day he is actually painting 1/10 of wall. This logic is applicable to every kind of work, whether it's painting or embroidery work. So here in this case, let us assume one woman can finish work in X days and one man can finish work in Y days. So actually, if we remember the painting example, women will finish 1 by X of total work. Same way, in one day, men can finish 1 by Y of total work. Now just consider if one man is able to paint 1/10 of wall every day, one more man joins him, he will also paint same portion of wall. So if two men are working with the same speed, they can finish 2 into 1 by 10 of the wall in one day. Same way, if two women are working, the work finished will by them will be 2 by x, because one man can do 1 by x of work. And same way, five men will finish 5 by y work in one day, because one man can do 1 by y work. Five men will do 5 into 1 by y work, and they all are together taking 4 days. So basically, if wall is divided into four parts, they all are together finishing 1/4 of wall in one day. So total work done by all of them in one day is 1 by 4. Same way, I will make the second equation with three women and six women. Three women will take 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Now, if we put 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b, see, we will get two equations as 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4 and 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. So, we can solve these equations by elimination method, and we have got b as 1 by 36. If we substitute this value in 1 by y, we will get y is equal to 36. Let us substitute value of b in one of the equation. We will get 3a is equal to 6 into 1 by 36 equal to 1 by 3. And if we solve, we'll get a as 1 by 18. And if we substitute this value of a in equation 1 by x equal to a, we will get x equal to 18. So, one woman finishes the work in 18 days and one man finishes the work in 36 days. Women power.